Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a new Zoom meeting link in the Zoom app. First, go to the Zoom app. Then create a new meeting by clicking on this new meeting icon. When the meeting is created, go to this participant section and click this arrow and then click on invite. Here you can see on the top left corner we have our meeting ID, and on the bottom right corner we have our meeting passcode. To get the invite link, click on this copy invite link and your link is copied. You can send it to anyone and they can join the meeting by just clicking on this invite. And that's how you can create a new Zoom meeting link. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.